Hi there. I'm Apex, your Salesforce trainer from Conclo Technologies. We've got something exciting coming up, and I'm thrilled to share it with you today. We're launching a brand new series of videos designed to make Salesforce easy to understand for everyone. Whether you're completely new to Salesforce or just looking to brush up on the basics, these videos will break everything down in simple, clear English. But here's the best part: we want to hear from you. What topics are you most interested in learning about? Is there something specific you're struggling with or curious about in Salesforce? Let me know in the comments below so I can tailor the series to your needs. And if you're excited about this series, show your support by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out when the videos go live. And hey, if you'd prefer these videos in another language, let us know in the comments too. Thank you for joining me on this journey to master Salesforce together. I can't wait to get started, and I hope you're as excited as I am. See you soon.